idea of folding your fitted sheet is to roll it in a ball and throw it on the shelf? Well, today we're going to go over a simple way to fold these fitted sheets to keep them wrinkle-free and save a lot of room in your linen closet. Now, in taking your sheets out of the dryer and beginning to fold, the first thing you want to make sure you do, especially if the fabric is a silk or a sateen or something that's very delicate, make sure you're taking off your jewelry. You don't want anything that's going to snag or cause pulls in the fabric. So make sure you have no hangnails and your jewelry is off, and that's going to be a big difference to make sure you're not damaging your fabrics. First thing to start with is laying out or holding your sheet in a way that the short sides are on two separate arms. Okay, so you want to find all your corners, one inside out, one right side up, and lining those up. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, one inside out, one right side up. So now I have all of my corners. We're going to match them up as well. So you're going to grab and kind of pinch one side, flip it over. So from my view, I now have this. Once you have all your corners together, this is where it comes in real handy to have a table, or you can lay it even on your bed or a countertop that's clean. And you want to lay it out, and here's where you start to line things up a little bit. So you want to create kind of your straight lines, bringing one edge kind of into the middle, the other edge into the middle as well. And so now it's fairly even all the way across. Now you can just start to kind of fold and roll from one side. I like to do that maybe a couple of times, then do the other side. One in, and just like that. So now you have a nice little square to go in your linen closet versus this.